to teach you how to make your video autoplay in a 16:9 presentation and export it as an MP4. Let's start by creating a fresh presentation. On the main screen, click Create a design and choose presentation with the 16:9 aspect ratio. This widescreen format is ideal for most displays and keeps your video looking great without awkward black bars or cropping. Once your blank slide opens, you're ready to bring in your footage. On the left sidebar, go to Uploads, then click Upload Files. Select the video from your computer and give it a moment to process. When it appears in your Uploads panel, simply click the video and it will land on your slide. If it doesn't perfectly fit, you can drag the corners to resize or drag to reposition it so it sits exactly where you want. The goal is to have the video clearly visible and ready to play within the slide. Now, click directly on the video on your canvas to select it. You'll notice a toolbar appear above your design. This only shows when the video is actively selected. If you click off the video and the toolbar disappears, just click back on the video to bring it up again. This toolbar is where you'll access playback settings. With the video still selected, look at the top toolbar and click Playback. This is where playback-related controls live for media on your slide. To see your autoplay in action, head to the top right of the editor and click Preview, which sits beside the Share button. In the preview window, your video will start playing automatically, confirming that autoplay is working. Keep in mind, autoplay often won't trigger inside the editing canvas itself. It's designed to kick in during a presentation or preview, so using the preview is the best way to test it before sharing or presenting. When everything looks good, it's time to save your presentation as a video file. Click Share, then Download. From the file type options, choose MP4 video. This format preserves your motion and timing, making it perfect for playback on different devices or platforms. Finally, click Download and let the export process finish. Larger videos may take a bit longer, so be patient and avoid closing the window while it processes. That's it. You've created a 16:9 presentation, added your video, confirmed autoplay and preview, and exported the final MP4, ready to share, present, or upload wherever you need it.